Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how I can build a marketplace in Europa Universalis file. So what we need to do is basically go to the economy, then click on the markets, and then you will be able to create a market right here. So if you create a market, this is the amount that you need to have. And also if you go on the market, it says what requirements we need to meet to build a marketplace. So as you can see, it's kinda expensive. I can't find one of those, but what you'll need to do is basically click on the market itself, and then it should build on the location. Like, as you can see, if I select one of these locations, it shows what I need for the market to create it. So that's pretty much it, guys. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to guide to everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.